All right, part 3 of quarter panel and rocker cab corner, rocker panel and cab corner replacement. You can see some dust sparkles flying around. I just finished sanding this. This is a follow-up from my last video. Of course, I forgot my SD card. Wow, that's crazy. It looks like it's snowing in here. I forgot my SD card, so I don't have my GoPro to film this, so I'm just going to do kind of check in every once in a while as I'm going through the process rather than filming the whole thing. But where we left off in the last video is we put a skim coat of Bondo on here just to try to blend the areas. I just hit it with some sandpaper just to blend in all of our affected areas and see what else needs to be touched up. To be honest, it's probably fine the way it is. I am going to touch up a couple little areas, a couple little low spots in here that I'm going to hit with some more filler just to smooth it out. You see a couple spots right here that need to be done. A little bit on here. This little corner needs a little bit. And then I got to finish this here. So I am going to mix up a little more body filler just to touch that up. And then at that point, I should be able to sand it down for a final time. And then we're going to go ahead and hit it with some primer. So tune in for the next step.
I've been dreaming on in my head like I've seen it. A life worth living is a life with meaning. I'll do what I love till my heart stops beating. I'm feeding this demon. Got a taste, can't erase bitterness in my face. Work a job every day till your dreams fade away. Like a card, never change, play the game that we say. I need a break. I'm staying strong, need to move on to be what I want. I'll keep dreaming on. I'm staying strong, need to move on to be what I want. I'll keep dreaming on. Face on when I chase like that, yeah, I play so strong with a knife in the back. I'ma swing home run like a baseball bat. Gonna see me rise, you can hate on that. I don't play both sides, doing me no cap. I'ma ride or die for my dreams on tap. I'ma fly real high, you ain't see me slack. No, it's not how you fall, it's how you get right back up. That's how you get tough, calluses on my hands so rough. Yeah, I call your bluff, I'm not the one. Mess with me and come out with none, cause I'm so done. You had your fun, and now you're gonna face down the barrel of the gun. Cause I got a full clip with your name on it, but I'ma let you slide cause you ain't worth it. I'm staying strong, need to move on to be what I want. I'll keep dreaming on. I'm staying strong, need to move on to be what I want. I'll keep dreaming on.
Primer coat number 2. I'll let that dry, do a light sanding, and we'll be ready for some white. All right, finished her up, 3 good coats of white. Came out really good. Now the whole idea is I spray canned the door jamb. I also painted this corner. I'm repainting the whole truck, so you'll see there's a couple little imperfections in here. Basically just covered it up with paint now so I can use the truck. When I paint the whole truck, I'm going to end up sanding. This section's not in the door jamb. This will be the outside, so This will get another sanding, and you know, the whole truck will get a sanding. I just need the door jambs inside the doors, because the doors will be shut when we repaint the whole truck. So but for now, I didn't go super picky on the bodywork. Right there, you can see just a little ding there, no big deal, barely at all actually. And same thing with the lower of the rocker, that'll get repainted as well, you know, when the door gets painted. But the whole idea is for the door jamb to look clean and not look like the rocker was just replaced. So I think it came out good. I'm happy with the results, and it's on to the other side. So that's a complete video on that. I got a fender on order to replace that, and gonna work my way around the truck. Bumper's in good shape, hood's in good shape. This fender I'm gonna try to keep, because the fenders are $150 a piece when I thought they would be a lot less. Both of the doors are good. So, and so all we have left is this cab corner and this rocker, just like we did on the other side. And then it'll be bolt on that one fender and a sand and a repaint on the whole truck. I'm pretty sure I'm gonna just keep a single stage basic white paint job like I usually do, and then we're gonna letter it up. So the only other thing that I want to do on this truck is repaint the wheels. I was going to think about putting chrome simulators on there, but I think I'm just going to do the gray factory look steel wheel paint with the black center caps. I like that look too. So, but yeah, that's it for this, and hopefully it gives you the encouragement to go ahead and tackle something like this yourself. You just watch me do it from pretty much start to finish. It's you know, there's some labor involved, but it's not rocket science. Just one step at a time and work your way through it, and you can get the same results as I got here. So, all right, guys, thanks for watching. Have a good one.